Mhm. Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, myself is Ahmad Nizam bin Muhammad Yusof. I'm the OKU disability person. I have I have in my left cannot be see, and only my right can see very limited. Okay, we go to our paper today. My paper is the meditating effect of the knowledge management capability between the HRM practices and radical innovation capability in Malaysia, SME ICT. Okay, my name is Ahmad Nizam bin Muhammad Yusof. My email is anizami69@gmail.com. Okay, my presentation today is the introduction, feature review, methodology, data analysis, and discussion and conclusion. Okay, what is a problem on the issue here is about the SME, ICT, about the competitiveness, performance, and also about the innovative in terms of incremental and radical. So the issue here about the ICT is a very big business, about 22.6% from our GDP, Malaysian, and SME contribute about 521 billion of GDP and also employ about 66% of Malaysia workforce. Yeah. So the issue here about the innovation, where we are, our ranking is very left, our in the world, number 33, what out of 141, and our ICT left behind Korea and also Japan, and our critical research and development and innovative. Yeah. All right, so the issue here about the great opportunity in ICT industry, the important SME to our nation economy, and also the objective of the study to study the factors, especially through the HR and knowledge management in the improve about the innovation. Okay, the research gap here is about the innovation centric HRM on the knowledge management and innovation, and to examine the two of type of innovation, radical and incremental, and also about the market sensing how it can be improved on the market and also the competitive. Okay, another things about the knowledge management and the firm innovation, especially about the workforce in terms of the innovation and also the company competitive. Right? And lastly, about the knowledge management and strategy in terms of the performance in the Malaysian ICT SME. Okay, the introduction of RO, you can see here the identify and maintain role of knowledge management, and also to identify the managing effect of knowledge management capacity between the HRM practices and incremental innovation. And this is the theory being used, RBV, resource-based view, and knowledge-based theory, KBV. Okay. So this is the construct definition you can read in my full paper. And this is the research design and methodology. All is already written in the full my paper. So please see and subscribe it. This is about my instrument we use to search for this survey is the questionnaire, and we have distributed to 500 SME ICT. Then we get the written about 200, and we use the smart PLS to analyze on the data. So this is the instrument. So this is all in my paper also. So this is the internal reliability, convention reliability, discriminant reliability, and this is the result for the discriminant validity. So what is the outcome from here? So we see here is a very high value of the internal consistency, 0.7, and also all in item is a be intended, yeah, for the questionnaire. And from the outcome, we see the five hypotheses will be supported. Beside the rest, it's not been. And this is the supported hypothesis. And what is the finding from here? Our finding is here entrepreneurship and the new product development are two of the most important source of growth for many business, especially in the SME ICT. Yeah? And also the human capital is the primary source of innovation. So with that, we like or not, the manpower is very important for the company. And also human resource are significant to organization opportunity and also the innovation. So we have to grow our manpower and have to have a good skill of staff and knowledge so they can contribute in terms of the growing and also in terms of innovation of the company. Okay, what the theoretical contribution here? First, provide the empirical evidence. Second things about the importance of the research-based theory. And lastly, on the practical implication is to improve the innovation capability, especially in the SRM and also about the knowledge management capability. Okay, how about discussion? Okay, for the recommendation, we propose to use the instrumental design for the future and logarithm study and other industry as well and extend the framework. This is to enhance for my study because you can see more other industry and more about the construct. Okay, lastly, that's all my presentation. So I hope with this will give us some view and scenario about the ICT, especially in SME, particularly. So I hope this paper can help the industry and also the government in terms of them to improve and to provide the facility and to give a success, especially in our innovation. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.